Welcome back. Remember our task at the beginning of this section? I know we've gone through a lot of videos, but if we remember, all of this was for Bruno, our boss. He asked us to make the Keiko Corp website a little bit faster. And now we should have some knowledge to do that. So let's go check it out. I have over here the Keiko Corp website. And I'll link to this and the project files after this video, don't worry. Now looking at this website, it looks pretty fine. It's got some cool animations. All right, it's not bad. It features some of their products that they've created. Very nice. But let's put this website to the test. I have two websites here for us that we're going to use, and they're really, really important for performance testing. The first one is PageSpeed Insights by Google developers. And we can enter a URL and it will do some speed tests for us. So I'm going to analyze that. And while that's working, I'm also going to go to Web Page Test, another great tool. And I'm going to enter the website. And the cool thing about this is that I can choose the test location and the device. So let's just say that we're going to use we'll just leave it with the default mobile view, and I'm going to say start test. Let's go back to Page Insight while this is going on. All right, we're getting a couple of exclamation marks here, which is never a good sign. It looks like it's displaying nicely on the mobile, but looking at this, we have some optimizations that we can do. We can eliminate render blocking JavaScript and CSS and optimize images. Caching is something that we'll cover later on in the course, so we don't need to worry about it. But 75 out of 100 is not very good, especially if Keiko Corp wants to be a serious tech company. Let's look at the desktop. Even worse, 65 out of 100. Again, PageSpeed is awesome because it'll show you how to fix these issues, and it'll show you what images can be compressed and all these other things that, well, we already know how to do that, right? We've gone through it. Let's look at the web page test. All right, not too bad. We're getting actually a couple of A's, some B's on the compressed image. Again, caching can be better. But looking at this, web page gives us a lot of information that we can analyze, and you can read for it yourself. We see that we can definitely improve a couple of things. So here's the challenge. Learning what you've learned, I want you to take this website and try to improve it. The code for it, it's not very pretty. But we're not really worried about code right now. We're worried about how can we improve the performance of this website. Using these two websites to help us out, I have a little challenge. And as a community, we'll see who can build the fastest website. You're going to work on this, and then in the next video, I'll also give you what I would have done if I was working on this. But I want you to post your code and your results into the chat community that we have. And let's compare. Let's trade tips and tricks, and let's see who can build the fastest website. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.